Hello everyone, welcome to A.M.B channel. Today I'm gonna talk BGP disable connected check. This command equal external BGP multi-hop. Now, simple topology. 3 autonomous system in BGP, BGP1, BGP2 and BGP3. I'm gonna configure OSPF1 in all routers here with loopback zeros also, and let's try this. I have been pre-configured all IP addresses, so let's start with router 1. Configure OSPF. Before we configure OSPF, we should go to loopback 0 and type OSPF network point to point, and let's start with router OSPF 1, router ID, loopback 0, and basic and simple commands in OSPF. Now, same in router 2, interface loopback 0, IP OSPF network point to point, router OSPF 1, router ID, network, area 0, network, area 0 and network, it's area 0. Finally, router 3, last one, interface loopback 0, IP OSPF network point to point, interface, no, not interface, router OSPF 1, router ID loopback 0, area 0, network, .4, area 0. Now, show IP route. Again, gonna take a while. And here we go. Loopback zeros in router 1, router 2, router 3. See them by OSPF with /32. So we are good. Try to ping here. Ping loopback 0 router 1 with source loopback 0. And it's working. Now, let's start with router 1. Configure BGP with autonomous system 1. Router 1. Now, router BGP 1, simple command neighbor remote autonomous system 2. Why I chose here loopback 0? Because I have internal routing protocol OSPF. Also neighbor 3, remote autonomous system 3. Also you should configure this command neighbor to update source loopback 0. Same here with update source loopback 0. Now, same commands in router 2, router BGP 2, neighbor, remote autonomous system 1, neighbor with update source loopback 0. Same command for router 3, BGP autonomous system 3, and also neighbor with update source loopback 0. Last router here, router BGP 3, neighbor remote autonomous system 1, neighbor remote autonomous, no, not 333, 2, remote autonomous system 2, also neighbor update source loopback 0, same command to loopback 0 on router 3. No, sorry, loopback 0 router 2. Now, it check show IP BGP summary, ideal here, also show IP BGP summary, same here, show IP BGP summary, also ideal. Why? Because we have different autonomous system and also internal routing protocol, OSPF1. So how gonna solve this? You have two options. Option 1, configure BGP with external BGP multi-hop. I did it in previous video, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use disable connected check. Simple command. Go to router 1 here, router BGP 1, not this here, type neighbor to disable connected check, like this. Same command in router 3 to router 3 also. Now same command or routers here, router BGP 2, neighbor disable connected check, and also 3. Finally here, router BGP 3, neighbor disable connected check, and also 1. Now see, we have here agency neighbor 111 is up, so it's working. Show IP BGP summary, and here we go, it's working here. Also, let's go to router 1, show IP BGP summary, same here. Last one, show IP BGP summary, and it's working. Let's check show IP root. Here router 3 see loopback 0 in router 1 and router 2 by OSPF, not in BGP. So I'm gonna ping him also here. Okay, I want to router 3 learn loopback zeros in router at router 1 and 2 by BGP, not in OSPF. How you're gonna do that? It's easy. Advertise loopback zeros in BGP. Go to router BGP 3 and type this network 3 with subnet mask, like this. Sorry, it's like this. Mask advertise it in BGP. Now same router BGP to network with mask, and last one here, router BGP1 network with mask 255, 255, 255, 255, like this. Now let's check BGP global table, show IP BGP, and here we go. Before we advertise the loopback zeros in all routers, if I typed show IP BGP, no entries here will be. But now, after I advertise the all loopback zeros, router 1 will learn loopback zeros by BGP. Router 1 see loopback zeros and router 2 by next hop here 222. If I try to ping, it's gonna work. Why? Because the physical interface is 10 here. Router 1 doesn't know it by BGP. 10.0.0.2 here. Router 1 does not know it. So you should advertise all physical interfaces here in BGP. If I typed here show IP BGP, now show IP route here BGP, but router 1 see this network by same loopback 0, and this is wrong. So you should advertise all interfaces, physical interfaces in BGP. So I'm gonna use this here. Now, how are you gonna solve this? Advertise all IP addresses and all interfaces in BGP. So also I'm gonna do 10.0.0 with mask 255, 255, 255, 252, like this. Also network 10.0.0.8 with mask same in all routers here, network dot 0 with mask 255, 255, 252, same for, and router 3 network 10.0.0.4 with mask 255, 255, 255, 252, and also 8. Now show IP BGP, here also show IP BGP, it's learning here. Now show IP BGP summary, show IP BGP. Okay, now try to ping 0.5, it's working, 0.6, it's working. You should advertise all IPs in BGP. Show IP route, routing table. Also router 2 learn all loopback zeros and all interfaces by BGP, not by OSPF. Thank you for watching. Until next time.